Hi, in this video we want to talk about even though and even if. Both of them simplifies a contrast between a main clause and an adverbial clause. Even though means even though means despite the fact that. Even if means whether or not. Pay attention to this example. Even though the old law has been abolished, a new one will be enforced or substituted soon. Now we can make a copy of it, put it here, and replace it with even if. In the first sentence, we know that the old law has been abolished. We know that, we are sure, we are certain about that. But in the contrast to that, a new law will be enforced soon. In the second sentence, we don't know whether the old law has been abolished or not. We are not sure about that. We don't know whether that has happened or not. Regardless of whether the old law has been abolished or not, a new law will be enforced soon. Let's go to the next example. Even though the prices varied widely from store to store, he insisted on buying the most expensive, buying from the most expensive shop. And we can make a copy of it, clone it here, and write it with even if. We want to understand the difference between these two sentences. Even though the prices varied widely from store to store, this is something that we are sure, that we know for sure, that the prices varied widely from store to store. Since we were sure about it, I add the color green to this sentence and I paint it with red. Even if the prices varied widely from store to store, even if we are not sure whether the prices varied widely from store to store or not, this is not something that we are sure about it. So this was the difference between even if and even though. If you liked the video, drop like, comments, make an example of what you've learned today and write that in the comment. Compose sentences with what you learned from these videos. Thank you for watching the video.